enjoy Hampi.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hey, Chloe, enjoy Hampi.
Thank you. Thank you. Good morning, namaste, and welcome back to my channel. So this morning I'm going to go from my hometown in Gokarna to Hampi. Wow. So the reason I'm going to Hampi is because I've heard that it's just so beautiful. It's a very nice place, full of temples and lots of ruins. In fact, it's known as a beautiful open-air museum. I cannot wait. So this bus is going to take me from my hometown of Gokarna to Kumta. So the bus ride is approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour depending on traffic, and this bus will cost me 30 rupees, and then I will get another bus then to Hospet, which is the nearest town to Hampi. I've arrived in Kumta. The bus that departed from Gokarna this morning departed at 6:45. It's now 7:30. This is all morning time, of course. And the next bus is 8:30, and that's the bus to Hospet. So I'm just chilling out in Kumta. I was going to have a bit of breakfast here, but they don't have any dosas, and I like dosas because they're light, you know, when you're travelling. They've only got puris, which are really oil heavy, or they've got idly, which is very kind of rice heavy. So I'm just going to sit and chill and have a cup of tea, I think. Oh, I'm dying for a cup of tea. And as for food, I did pack some Patanjali biscuits. So Patanjali biscuits are healthier biscuits which are high in fibre, and they also contain coconut sugar and not refined sugar. So I've also got some chicky, which is nuts, peanuts and jaggery, which is like a healthier version of sugar and nuts for protein. So yeah, I've got some little snacks because I'm not going to have a full-blown breakfast. So I've now managed to get on the bus to Hospet, and this bus journey is going to take 8 hours, and it only costs 300 rupees, which is about £3 or about $5, $5 US, depending on the exchange rate. And of course I did do the all-important ritual of saying bye to all my friends before departing for Hampi. Thank you.
Happy journey.
Thank you.
Enjoy Hampi.
Happy
journey.
Thank you.
Enjoy Hampi.
Thank you. Thank you. Happy journey. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Happy journey.
Thank you.
Hampi.
Thank you. reached Hospet, which is the main city area here in Hampi, and I'm now on a bus that's going to take me to Sanapur Lake because that's where my accommodation is, actually in the centre of Hampi. I am very excited. I've heard some amazing things about Hampi. So this bus takes 35 minutes and costs 25 rupees. I'll catch up with you in a bit. So there's somewhat been a little bit of confusion. I didn't get dropped off at Sanapur Lake, which is where I needed to go. I've been dropped off in a city, but there should be a bus to Sanapur Lake now, so I'll just wait for that. If it doesn't come, I can get an auto, but the autos want 600 rupees to go 18 kilometres. That is so expensive. So I'll just have to hope the bus comes, and from there the hosts of my accommodation will pick me up, so stay tuned to see what happens. It's quite an adventure, especially when you're tired from travelling. So just to let you know, I'm safe because I am standing with women at a bus stop and they seem really nice and everyone seems really helpful, and there are lovely fruit stalls, so I've just had some gorgeous fruits. Oh yeah, it's quite a nice place where I'm waiting. So the place where I'm waiting is Yogini. Wow, look at that temple head. Wow, it's quite a city. A very, very exciting city. I'm so excited. Wow. And they're the tuk-tuks there that want to charge me 600 rupees. Super expensive, so I'll just have to hope a bus comes. To get into a taxi. The bus was late. I don't know if it's going to turn up, but I was kind of taught round by these guys, taxi drivers, to get into a taxi. But he's given it me for 400, so I did actually get the cost down from what the tuk-tuk was saying, and it's far more comfortable than a tuk-tuk. So yeah, I'm on my way now. I'll be going straight to my accommodation, so the hosts don't need to pick me up. So yeah, all good at the moment.
Okay. My name's Sachin. Hi, bro.
Hi Sachin. Hi. Got the taxi driver. He's good. Hi, Melissa. Wow, wow, look at the costumes. They're gorgeous. India's full of surprises, isn't it? Wow, we're just walking into the festival. I think it's called the Oman or something. Please comment below if you know the name, because I think I've got it completely wrong. What it is, it's a traditional festival that's been going on since day one. Wasn't it amazing? And I got that sage smudge with the big feather. How incredible is that? So it was a nice cleansing ritual, and they gave me some for short. Oh, the dancing by the fire, incredible. So, I've got into my room now. Hampi seems to be a very primal place, and I'm staying in a hut. So I will give you a room tour of the hut. You've got the bed. And then over here we've just got a little storage table. That's like a yoga bolster, isn't it? Some water, of course. Yeah. And the bathroom area, so room for a bucket bath and a toilet. That's lovely. So these huts are commercial huts, and this one is 1,700 rupees for 3 nights. That's about £17 or about $23 US dollars. Again, depending on exchange rate. I've noticed I say that a lot. dollars wise, depending on exchange rate. But hey, I do need to put it in. So I think the plan for tomorrow is I'm going to go and see the chariots and the open air museum with all the temples, and I'll certainly explain more about that tomorrow. So the guy here, Vijay, he said that his friend can take me on his bike and we can go and see the temple area. That sounds nice. So I did say in my solo woman traveller vlog, which I will link above, not to get lifts on bikes unless they're organised by your homestay. And of course, this is organised by this homestay. So anyways, I think I'll get to bed. It's been a long day travelling. It's been lovely. Shanti, shanti, shanti. Om Namah Shivaya. Kisses, mwah. And see you on the next vlog.